Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome. Today we'll be discussing about the latest, hottest cryptocurrency that is available. Recently we heard about Dogecoin, we heard about Shiba Inu. Right now there's a new one in town. There's going to be war between meme coins, dog coins especially. Shanshu Inu is the trending cryptocurrency you haven't heard of. So today this is the latest on Shanshu Inu. So there's a new Dogecoin main coin cryptocurrency that you have not heard about. It is the Shanshu Inu coin. Shanshu Inu coin or Shanshu is a new cryptocurrency that is based on dog such as Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin. So right now in coins ghetto you can see that it traded at this price 1 millionth of a dollar. So if you take $1 and divide it into 1 million, that is the price of this coin. That is the price of this coin. It's 1 millionth of a dollar. I know something about meme coins or coins like this. After some time it's going to get hype. It will go up to 20,000%, and after that it will die out. If you are investing in quick profit coins like this, because this one goes on hype, as soon as it get hype, the more people talk about it, the more newbies invest in it, the more whales jump inside it so that they make quick profits, the more money you can get. And that's how I make my money over these years. I make my money as soon as I suspect it's going to be hype on the cryptocurrency. I make sure I invest before any other person. So let's go back to the news and see what it's saying. So the question now is Shanshu Inu coin on the rise? The answer is absolutely yes. On Tuesday morning, Shanshu Inu coin was one of the top trending cryptocurrency on coin market cap. That's what the news is saying. That on Tuesday it was one of the top cryptocurrency on coin market cap. It was, this is how we see um cryptocurrency, people that are watching this cryptocurrency at the moment. So on Tuesday it was among this cryptocurrency, as you can see it here right now, it's trending number 12. So more people are looking at it, more people are spying on it. Very soon more people will start investing in this cryptocurrency. In that website, this is people monitor this cryptocurrency. That means people are really watching it. Right now it is 12 most popular in the list of cryptocurrencies that people are constantly watching. As you can see, the one topping the list right now is Mozart Finance. Many people are watching that one. Is trending number 1 at the moment. So as of Tuesday, the coin held number 2 spot behind Polkadot. That's the latest we are getting. How much is Sancho in worth? As I've said earlier, it is worth less than 1 millionth of a dollar. So that means if you are buying it with $1 right now, you are getting 1 million of that coin. $2, that is 2 million of that coin. If you have $10, you get 10 million of that coin. So that's how much it is worth. So now the next question is, will Shanshu Inu coin rise more? Actually, I'm going to tell you my own review first before I read what is given here. My review about coins like this is, very soon at some point this coin is going to get more wave, it's going to get hype, and after that there's going to be a dump. That is how it has always been, and that is how it's going to continue to be when it comes to meme coin. It's going to be hype and dump, hype and dump. That's how I make my money using Dogecoin. I bought it before the hype, and as soon as I knew the hype was at its peak, I sold, made my profit, and leave. The same thing with Shiba Inu. I suspected it's going to be listed on some cryptocurrency. I bought it before then, and I was able to sell when I suspected that it is at its peak. Make my profits, took out my money. The same with Shanshu Inu. Imagine if you're investing $1,000 on it, or 3,000, $10,000. Imagine if I'm using $1,000 on it. So, and it increases. All I'm just looking for is 300%. So let me be more realistic, because I know coins like this can go up 10,000% or even 20,000%. Let me just say it goes up 1,000%. So let's see 1,000% of 1,000, yeah, $1,000. So if I'm investing $1,000 in it, so 1,000% is going to land me in 10,000 USD. So I don't mind if it takes me 2 to 3 months to make that. I don't mind if it takes me 2 to 6 months, even if it's 1 year. It's going to be smart investment. All I just need to do is I have to time when there is a hype, and as soon as I know the hype has reached its peak, then I have to sell. So all I'm just looking for is 1,000% of this coin. I can settle at 300%, which is going to land me about $3,000 from a 1,000 US dollar investment in this coin, Shanshu Inu. I know after the hype is going to drop down. I know there are some people that will not make this kind of money in one full year. So all I do is invest before the hype. As soon as the hype is at its peak, I sell. So let's see what the website is saying about if it will rise. It's saying currently Shanshu Inu is a very small coin in relation to other cryptocurrencies that are out there, according to investorplace.com. This is a very nice website if you want to get the latest on investing in cryptocurrency. However, investors intrigued by the growth potential of such coin option have continued to pile into names of late. So there have been lots of cryptocurrencies that are meme coins. So what are Shanshu Inu coins predictions? There aren't a lot of predictions out there. Digital coin price suggests that the price will climb 300% as of 2028. 2028, which year are we? We are just in 2021. So it's saying it will take until 2028 before it goes up 300%. Actually, this can be true, but my own opinion is many people do not know about this cryptocurrency yet. As soon as many people know, there are millions of people who are looking for cheap coins. I know that this is not going to be a smart long-term investment, but what I do is I buy, I wait for it to get hype. As soon as it gets hype, I sell. So that's how you make quick profit. So tell me in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency. Tell me how many you'll be buying, and tell me what you think the future of this currency will be like. Comment down below how many percent you think is going to run, and tell me if it's going to win the war between Dogecoin, which of the main coin will win the war between Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Shanshu Inu. Tell me which one is going to win the war in the comment section down below. Without waste of time, I'm going to do some research and see you in the next video. Peace.